Looking out for some easy and affordable way to brighten up your home or create an added glow, especially when Diwali, the festival of lights, is round the corner? Who doesn't want some special visual effects to prep their house for much awaited festivities? Or if you're just sick of the same look of your room since ages and are looking for an instant new look without much hassle, that too within your budget, then definitely try this. Irrespective of the reason why you choose to do this DIY, these mini lanterns will brighten up your mood without pinching your pocket, unlike the store-bought ones. And the added advantage here is you can choose the color combination you wish to have to suit your house decor or your personal style. And when your guests leave your home complimenting the decor, you can always pat your back. If you're new to my channel or haven't subscribed yet, please do subscribe for more such amazing DIYs. So let's see how to light up these mini lanterns. For this, you can use any size of balloons you want. I wanted mine to be as small as possible, so got these water balloons. Inflate them but not too much and secure with a knot. Use any color of yarn or wool you like. Mine were a mix of these to match up this year's Diwali decor, and you will need equal parts of regular all-purpose glue, hot water, cornstarch and a mixing bowl. Start with cornstarch. Now add hot water and start mixing them well with a spoon as soon as possible to avoid formation of lumps. You can do this DIY even without cornstarch with just glue and water, but I strongly recommend to add cornstarch, which would thicken the glue and the yarn is much more firm and strong. You can see for yourself towards the end. Now to this add equal part of glue and mix the solution well. Make sure you protect the surface you're working on. You can directly soak the yarn in the solution and use it to wrap the balloons. But trust me, it's so damn messy and lot more time consuming. So I recommend you to use any regular carton available in kitchen or a paper cup. You can use such smaller juice carton if you want it for few of the balloons. But as I'll be making it for almost 70 of them, I cut open this big milk carton using X-Acto knife and poke it with a needle threaded with yarn across the bottom of the carton as low as possible. Once you pull the yarn from the other end, pour in the solution mix into it. So when the yarn passes through this glue mix, it soaks up the glue, and when pulled through the hole you created, the excess glue is removed automatically, leaving only the adequate amount of glue required, and also by this process you can manage yarn easily without getting tangled, hence avoids getting messier. Make a knot with yarn at top of the balloon. At this point, leave some amount of yarn before making the knot, which would be later used for drying to hang these balloons. But as I forgot to leave extra length of yarn, I'll use separate piece of twine to hang them to dry later. Start wrapping the balloon randomly. Keep in mind, don't wrap the yarn too tight, else it might slip off, but not too loose as well. Just tight enough to fit the balloon. Just work it out couple of times here and there till you feel it's stable. Keep wrapping as much as you want. I did wrap for almost 60 to 70% of the balloon. Once you're happy with how you want it to look, cut it with scissors and slide in the end of the yarn underneath. As I mentioned before, I used a separate piece of twine for individual balloons. Now either you can tie a string across two chairs and hang the balloons to dry, but I just hang them across the wall using thumbtacks. Usually it takes 4 to 5 hours to dry, but for safer side, I left it overnight. Once they're all dried up, you can see and hear too. They are so tight and sturdy. Now pierce the balloon with any pokey object. It deflates instantly, creating this weird noise. Now just simply pull out the deflated balloon and you will have your first yarn lantern. At times while deflating, the balloon may get stuck. You can use any pointy object like tweezer or scissors to help it pull with ease. Now put lights into tighter gap for better grip. I have put 2 bulbs into one. You can put 1 bulb into one or whichever manner you wish it to hang. Now arrange it in the order you want. In any case, if you do not have the required color of yarn you wish, once done, you can spray paint them as well with your preferred color. I prefer to keep it this way, simple and festive. Hope you guys liked it. Before you go, don't forget to hit thumbs up if you found this video helpful. Subscribe so that you don't miss out on any future videos, and let me know in the comment section below if you got any other suggestions or requests, and mention your views regarding today's DIY. Thanks a lot for stopping by. You can follow me on my social media. The links will be in the description box below, and I'll see you in the next video. Till then, take care and enjoy.